Alright guys, today I'm going to be making a flatbread for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead, I have some arugula, some red onions, some heirloom tomatoes, ham, cheese. So I'm going to go ahead and get all my prep ready, then I'll get back. Stay tuned. Alright guys, now that I got my garlic minced, I got my onion minced, and everything else is just cut up in cubes. I got my flatbread. What we're going to do now, we're going to go ahead and we're going to make the oil. So let me just get this out of the way real quick. So we're going to start off by adding some olive oil in a bowl. I'm going to add our garlic. We'll add some pepper. We're going to add a pinch of salt. All right. And we're going to use this to coat the bread. Apply the garlic oil all over with the pastry brush. And I'm gonna get some of the garlic on there also. This is a tasty flatbread. It's gonna be a lot of flavors. Alright. Alright. That's enough garlic. First thing that you're going to go ahead and apply is going to be the cheese. And this is the shredded cheese. Then you're going to apply the ham. You could use whatever meat. You could use beef or roast beef. You could use chicken. You could use porchetta and pork belly. This would be good with some pork belly. I'm using honey ham today, honey glazed ham. Now you're not going to add the arugula to this, guys. This is going to be after you bake it. I'm going to add some red onions. I'm not a big fan of onions, so I'm not going heavy on the onions. Adding my heirloom tomatoes. I'm gonna go heavy on the tomatoes. I like tomatoes. Just want to make sure it's evenly distributed. All right. I've got some block cheese. This is light. You could use American cheese. You could use cheddar cheese. You could use feta cheese, fontina cheese. You use whatever cheese you basically like. Oh, not whatever, but use a wide variety of cheese. You won't mess with your flavor. All right. Now we're gonna bake this at 350 degrees for 5 minutes. All right. I'm spraying my pan. All right. I'm gonna carefully place this on here. Alrighty. It's been 5 minutes. This is what we got. All right, so now while it's still hot, we're gonna go ahead and add the arugula. It's very simple and tasty flatbread, guys. Sometimes I don't feel like cooking a whole lot of food. Just want something to snack on. Flatbread. You can't go wrong with a flatbread. You can play with the ingredient, play with the recipe. All right, then we're gonna just top this off with some balsamic glaze before we cut it. That's a beautiful dish. Alright, so we're going to cut this one in triangles. So we're going to start at this angle. You can just go down, and if you release a knife,